For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me about the Makita XSS02Z 18V LXT. It's not just a tool for professionals, but also a game changer for DIY enthusiasts and homeowners. But there's a catch. You see, this cordless reciprocating saw is built to handle tough tasks with ease, but its high-end features and compact design come at a cost that might make you think twice. Therefore, if you're in the market for a reliable saw, I'm about to share a crucial piece of information that'll make all the difference. Let's dive into the details. The Makita XSS02Z 18V LXT is part of Makita's popular LXT series, which boasts an impressive array of power tools designed to work in tandem with their high-capacity batteries. But what sets this particular saw apart from its competitors? First and foremost, the XSS02Z comes equipped with a powerful 18V motor that delivers up to 3,400 strokes per minute, more than enough speed for even the most demanding projects. But how does it hold up in real-world scenarios? Therefore, I've gathered some key statistics and user reviews to help you make an informed decision. One thing's certain. This saw has received rave reviews from professionals and DIYers alike. With a 4.5-star rating on Amazon and over 2,000 customer reviews, it's clear that the Makita XSS02Z is a force to be reckoned with. But what about its performance in specific tasks? Therefore, let's take a closer look at some real-world examples. In one notable review, a professional contractor praised the XSS02Z for its ability to effortlessly cut through 2x4s and even thick metal pipes with ease. However, another reviewer pointed out that the saw can be quite heavy when fully loaded with battery and tool, something to consider if you're planning on using it for extended periods. But here's a twist. Despite its weight, the XSS02Z is surprisingly ergonomic and comfortable to hold, thanks in part to its compact design and well-balanced weight distribution. Therefore, even for smaller users, this saw remains a formidable choice. Another area where the Makita XSS02Z shines is in its versatility. With a range of attachments and accessories available, you can use it as everything from a demolition tool to a precision trimmer, making it an excellent investment for homeowners who like to tackle projects themselves. Now I know what you're thinking. Is this saw worth the premium price? Well, let me put it this way. If you value your time and are willing to invest in quality tools that will last, then the Makita XSS02Z is well worth considering. Therefore, with its impressive specs and real-world performance, I'd say it's an excellent choice for anyone serious about their DIY or professional projects. But before you make a decision, let me share one final piece of information. If you act now, you can get your hands on the Makita XSS02Z at an exclusive discount. Therefore, don't wait, click the link in the description to secure the best price available today.